Hey friends, hello and welcome back to this YouTube channel. For today's video, I'm gonna show you or recommend you top 3 browsing applications that you could install in your computer, okay? So let's say if your Google Chrome is consuming a lot of space in your Windows and you want to replace it and you want to find a very convenient and alternative browsing, then I'm gonna recommend you a first browsing tool or application, which is actually Microsoft Edge. So here in the Microsoft Edge, you can, like Google Chrome, you can also browse different websites, and it's very convenient to use. It's less laggy and consume a lesser space in your computer. Okay? Just how to download it, just go to any browsing application and then search for, maximize this first, search for here, Edge browser. And you need to select the first option of the results, which contains the download Microsoft Edge. Okay, just have to wait and then scroll down. And then here, in my case, I have already uninstalled Microsoft Edge in my device, but if in case you didn't, then continue to download Edge. Okay, so that's the step on how to download Microsoft Edge. Okay, so the second convenient application or tool that you could use when browsing is the Mozilla Firefox. Okay, so maybe some of you is using already this one, but if not, then I'm gonna teach you how. Just search for Mozilla Firefox here, download, and then go to this one, download Mozilla Firefox free latest version. So the good thing about this one is it consumes a lesser space of your computer and it's free, and as you can see it has a lot of stars here, 3.8 stars and 44,000, mostly 44,000 have already installed and used this application. Okay, just have to wait everything to load and then go to free download for PC. So this is a very good web browser that you could also use in your computer. Just have to download this, and you can also download it in your Android phone or iPhone phone. Okay, so the third and last one is Brave browser. Okay, let's search for Brave browser and then select the 3 option here and go to the first link of the results. Here, you can also download a free version of this in your desktop or in your Mac or in your Android phone. Just have to visit Microsoft Store in your phone rather, and then just download. You can simply download this. How? Just click this, Get Brave. Okay? So those are the top 3 alternatives that you could ever use in your computer. So it consumes lesser space, no lagging at all for a best browsing experience. Okay? So hopefully this video helps you. If yes, don't forget to subscribe, like, click the bell one to be updated into our more useful videos, and might as well share this video. Thank you for watching this video and take care, everyone.